know, every year about 43 billion tons of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere from vehicle fuels and factories. But only 25% of carbon emissions are absorbed by the green plants and another 25% by the biota in the oceans. What about the remaining 50% carbon dioxide? It is suspended in the environment and increasing the global temperature, resulting in the increase in the sea levels. Even a small increase in the sea level have devastating effects. It can cause destruction, erosion, flooding, agriculture, soil contamination with salt and habitat loss for fish, birds and plants. Even rising sea levels crawl into the fresh water resources, on which many people rely on for their drinking water. Some carbon emissions are depleting the ozone layer, resulting in the ultraviolet radiation reaching the Earth's surface, causing certain health hazards to human and other organisms. According to an assessment in India, 3.73 million hectares of forest are affected by fires annually in India. This is due to accidental fires by cigar or smokes, electric sparks, or any inflammable material, and in a small way through lightning. But only 126,916 hectares of area is converting into forests. Is it matching at least 50%? This results in decline in the rainfall. Because growing trees take water from the soil and release into the atmosphere by transpiration. Only 10% water is utilized by plants and remaining 90% water is released into the atmosphere, which form clouds. Tree leaves also act as interceptors, catching falling rain which then evaporates and rain elsewhere. Globally, about 52% of all soils are degraded and the remaining soils continue to deteriorate. This is mainly due to the excessive use of plastic and chemical pesticides, resulting in the decrease in agriculture productivity. Many people will die because of shortage of food. All spills from the big ships form a layer on the upper surface of oceans, which result in the suffocation of organisms inside the ocean, resulting in the decrease in the biodiversity of ecosystem. And also, as we said earlier, 25% of carbon dioxide is absorbed by the oceans. It is affected by this all spills. Wars are a conflict between relatively large groups of people, which involve physical force by the use of weapons. War has destroyed entire culture, countries, economies, and severe suffering on human. All these are man-made environmental disasters. Every disaster is interlinked with another disaster. What next? Complete destruction of human race? It is not too late, we can restore everything simply. There is a one-stop solution for everything. Whenever you go to a new place, just plant a tree, because afforestation is the solution to many disasters. For terrorism, all spills and forest fires, change must come within the activities of human. Just be careful and cautious and follow some ethics. Save the environment and save the mother planet.